Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's short tutorial, I thought that I should share some basic details on traits of leader and what are the common platform or characteristics a leader should have. So just stay with me in this short tutorial. I will explain you about the basis of leadership roles. So as you can see in the tutorial, let me share with you. So these are the basis of leadership role. First, as you can see, is goals. So a leader should know what do we want to achieve. So a leader should have a clarity of thought about what is the target and what is the goal, when it has to be achieved, what is the deadline, and how do we have to achieve that. So goals are very important for a leader to know. Number second is roles. Who does what, when, and how? A leader should know that who will do that work, when it has to be done, and how it has to be done. Number third is processes. How do we keep records, make decisions, and take actions? A leader should know that how to maintain the records, how to refer the records, and how to take actions on the records. In last, interpersonal relationships. A leader should know what are the ground rules and how do we interact with the team members. So this is very important for a leader to know that how to interact with the team members, how to motivate the team members, how to encourage the team members who are not performing, who are performing, who are new to the team. So these four traits or characteristics are very important for a leader, that he or she should know goals, roles, processes, and interpersonal relationships. Next, moving on, is different traits of leadership styles. So traits is basically, number one, a leader should be a coach, which means that a leader should be a motivational person or a resource in the team, in the organization. Number two is leader should be visionary, which means a leader should be progressed, focused, and inspirational for the entire team. A leader should be servant. Servant means a leader should be humble and protective. Number four is a leader should be autocratic. Autocratic means authoritarian and result focused. Number fifth is laissez-faire. A leader should be having a mindset or attitude to give responsibility to others, to share the work with others. Number six, a leader should be democratic, which means a leader should be supportive and innovative. Number seven is leader should be pace setter. Pace setter means a leader should be helpful and motivational. Number eight, a leader should be transformational, like a leader should take challenges and communicate about the challenges of the team member. Number nine, a leader should be transactional, means performance focused. A leader should know how to increase the levels of performance of his team members and his or her also. And in last, a leader should be bureaucratic, which means he or she should be duty focused about how to achieve the set targets and goals. So these are the common traits of leadership or a leader. I hope you will find this short tutorial informative. If you need more explanation to these kind of tutorials, please do revert back on teachingandcoaching2020@gmail.com. Once again, I'm really thankful to you to come onto my channel. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Please share your feedback and stay safe. Stay safe, stay safe. Thank you.